Hi everyone, today we are starting our first YouTube video. Yay!
Hi, my name is Jaya Shukla. I've been in the fashion industry for 2 decades, designing, creating a line, educating on grooming and styling people.
And I'm Pujita, and if you can't already tell, this is my mom. And because of her, I got into the modeling industry, started seeing how people wore clothes, styled themselves, and I was really interested and fascinated with this. So today we're going to share our experiences
And style tips
with you all. Alright, so let's get into it.
So we always have this issue that we have so many Indian clothes and not enough places to go and wear them. Today we are going to create some interesting looks using these staple pieces.
Such as the dupatta, the classic blouse, and the ghagra that only seems to come out during Indian occasions.
For this look, you can use a solid black straight pant and a long top or something similar to what I have on. Solid black color provides a clean base for an embroidered or heavier dupatta. This is a good look for the evening. For the day look, I'm using a crop pant with an earthy tone stole and teamed up with a nude belt and shoes to tie up the whole look.
Sari and ghagra blouses can be the most versatile Indian piece in your closet. You can take any lighter blouse and pair it with high-waisted jeans, pants, shorts, or skirts to create a comfortable but stylish look. And if you want to tone down the Indian vibe of your blouse, you can tag on a duster, which I'm wearing here from Bella Desi, or a cardigan of a complementary color in order to round out the whole fit. Side note, if you have a heavier blouse, pair it with straight formal pants, killer heels, and a nice clutch to make an evening look. I also wanted to show how cute this outfit is with this brown belt from Rebecca Minkoff. I absolutely love fanny packs and belt bags, and replacing the duster with this bag creates a trendy look that is slightly more casual but fun.
In this look, I'm using an embroidered jacket over a crop pant and a stretch top. Whenever you incorporate a hyper piece like this, make sure you have a clean base to balance out so your whole look is not busy. This kind of jacket can go over a simple shift dress, a tank dress, or a skirt, and you can have various fun looks out of this one piece.
Ghagras are usually not seen outside of an Indian function. However, here I've taken one that I'm now a little too tall for and paired it with a flowy top from Express. And these spunky combat boots from Cole Hunt, which I adore, add to the Western vibe and create a boho look. This is a great look for a day out, a music festival, or if you're feeling particularly extra. Also, if you have a slightly fitted neutral blouse, you can pair it with all types of ghagras. Here I have a lehenga with Indian hand block, but paired with a slightly longer white blouse, it becomes a cute, playful look which I can easily wear to a party. And again, the same blouse can transform a heavily embroidered ghagra into Western evening wear that will distinguish you from everyone else in the crowd.
Hope you got some style tips and you can incorporate some of the looks that we've shared in this video and make more wearable looks out of these.
And we want to know how you feel, so please comment below, good or bad. Share us your favorite look, and if you want to see more videos like this, like and subscribe. Thank you.